Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Oppo K3 smartphone. In this video, we'll learn how you can take a slow motion video in Oppo K3 smartphone. First of all, you need to open the camera in your phone Oppo K3. Click on camera here and click on these three lines. Click on SLO. Yes, this is slow motion option. Just capture your video. I capture this video. I start the video. While recording, it will be like a normal video. Stopping the video. And this is a file, that is video file that I taken, and I playing that file. Yes, video slowly playing. So in this way you can easily take a slow motion video in your phone Oppo K3. Once again I take another video. And playing this video. See here, video is playing very slow. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, take care. Bye.